Caught in the act. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, caught in the act. Have you ever wondered what it means or how you can use it in everyday conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore this phrase together, its origins, meanings, and how to use it in sentences. So, grab your notebook, and let's get started. Caught in the act refers to being discovered or observed while doing something, usually something wrong or forbidden. It's that moment when someone sees you doing something you shouldn't be doing, and now there's no way to deny it because you were caught red-handed. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from light-hearted situations, like sneaking a cookie from the cookie jar, to more serious legal or ethical violations. The phrase, caught in the act, has been used for centuries, and its origins are somewhat theatrical. It relates to the idea of catching a character in a play or a real person in real life in the midst of performing an action that they cannot stop, deny, or hide. This concept has been depicted in literature and law, emphasizing the evidence or undeniable proof of someone's actions. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. In everyday life, my brother was caught in the act of stealing cookies from the kitchen. 2. In a workplace, the employee was caught in the act of disclosing confidential information to a competitor. 3. In movies and literature, the villain was finally caught in the act of sabotaging the hero's plans. These examples show that being caught in the act can vary from minor mischiefs to serious offenses. Now, let's practice using the phrase in sentences. When narrating an event, the burglar was caught in the act by the security cameras. In a warning, if you cheat on the test and are caught in the act, you will face severe consequences. Describing a situation, he was caught in the act of lying about his whereabouts last night. Understanding the phrase, caught in the act, not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English expressions. It's a phrase that captures a moment of truth, for better or for worse. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and usage. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries, so keep exploring and practicing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.